Hey there. If you've been feeling stuck in the same emotional patterns, longing for connection, but fearing intimacy, or finding yourself pulled into relationships that leave you feeling unseen, you're not alone. Our attachment wounds run deep, shaped by early relationships and carried silently into adulthood. But the good news, they aren't permanent and they don't have to define you. That's why I created Breaking Free from Attachment Wounds, an 8-week online workshop designed to help you understand your attachment style, work through emotional pain, and begin to form healthier, more secure connections with others and with yourself. We begin Sunday, April 6th, and over the course of the 8 weeks, we'll explore why certain relationship dynamics feel so familiar and painful, how to recognize and reparent the younger parts of yourself, what secure attachment looks and feels like, and how to cultivate it, and how to stop confusing survival strategies for love. This workshop isn't just information. It leads to transformation, held in a safe, supportive space where growth is encouraged and healing is possible. If you're ready to shift from anxious or avoidant patterns into deeper connection and self-trust, I'd love for you to join us. Register now at the link below to save your spot. We start April 6th. Your healing is worth it.